Welcome back to the channel. Are you making $20,000 a month yet? If not, you are still in the rat race, whether you know it or not. So, how do you get started towards $20,000 a month? Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Well, you need to set a goal to start making $20K a month in income and passive income. Then you need to start setting up passive income streams that make $20,000 per month. That's how it works in the real world, not by working hard every day for someone else and waiting 30 years before you can retire or quit your job. Who wants to work 40 years to enjoy the last 10 in your 60s and 70s? I'm not telling you this because I want to demoralize you. I'm telling you this because it's a reality and to motivate you. People who make the most money and have financial freedom don't work hard for it every day of their life. You know what they do? They work smart. They find passive income sources that bring in passive income of at least $20,000 per month and get another passive income source to add on top. Then you build collections of $20K per month businesses or passive income streams, therefore achieving financial freedom. Then they accumulate additional passive income streams or businesses that produce $50K per month and so on. That's how they live the good life and passive income lifestyle without working hard every day for someone else. You could do that too if you start making $20,000 a month in passive income. Now how? The first step up to $20,000 per month and this type of financial freedom is to figure out a way to earn money. There are thousands of ways to earn. Pick the one that you are best established with your skills and education. See our video on the top passive income streams and how to come up with an idea for you. The second step to financial freedom is living a modest lifestyle so that you can save money. The third step is to use the access money or savings to invest, making passive income. When you make passive income, it means that your money is making money for you. This is leveraging your income and money to grow. When you learn this method, it becomes part of your lifestyle. There is no such thing as one type of passive income. There are only passive income streams. Again, start with focusing on at least $20,000 per month in active and passive income streams. Until then, live like you're poor and commit to break free from the rat race. Once you have made enough passive income for your number one source, then start looking at other ways of generating passive income like investing in stocks, real estate rentals, or flipping homes. The sky is the limit. That's all for today. Please comment below with your path to $20,000 per month. Please like and subscribe to learn more. Thanks for watching.